Draw Learning. Today we are going to draw a baby monkey while we learn Spanish. We draw the head, which in Spanish is CABEZA. Now we draw the ears, that in Spanish is said OREJAS. Now we draw the eyes. Eyes in Spanish is OJOS. We draw his feet. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say feet in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. Let's go with the brown. That is said, MARRON. Come on guys, it's looking very good. We use light brown, that in Spanish is said MARRON CLARO. Let's see if you know the answer. Feet in Spanish are said pies. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.